Uh-huh. What you looking for?
My cell phone. Oh.
I'm grinding right there on the...
I was looking for glasses and I was putting my glasses into my cell phone.
So you don't forget them or
Yeah.
lose them. Okay, I got it. I didn't move them.
Like, wait a minute. I thought they were together.
I didn't see the glasses when I moved the... Were they there?
Yeah.
Golly. Man, I can't see nothing.
All right, you want to weld this side up now?
Yep, and that's not bad where it is. If
Just
you want to take
like
it...
that?
What if we lay something across here? This already slants, right?
Yeah.
So if that one's similar slanting, it won't.
Is that what you want to do there?
Well, that's kind of what I.
Or do you want to?
Watch the hole.
But how do you? I mean, it's.
I don't know how you can. The holes are too big. Who punched that big hole in there?
I'm not sure how this is going to work.
Well, it won't. The holes are bigger than I made the plate. That was a real smart idea.
I probably maybe could weld it from the other side, maybe.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. It's bent. Look at it and see if you think you can put it up the other side.
Oh yeah, yeah.
What I did was I took this and I put it kind of right here.
I was going to push the floor up a little bit, tack it, and then.
Oh yeah, that'd be good. I think it's far up this way. I was trying to get it
Try to
similar.
do one more little, just get a little more if we can,
Yeah.
Turn it loose. Right there.
Okay, that'll work.
Tack this and I'll run the rest.
Then run the way. Okay, what do you need? You're sitting down. Right here. Right there.
Right here. I got to put this roping, don't I?
Yeah, well, you know.
Where my gloves go?
Gloves. That's not yours. Where are yours? Where did you put yours?
No. Are they inside? Are they on a dash?
Oh, they're right there.
Oh, right there. You mean to?
Do what?
I'm just thinking.
I guess I need to make you another piece.
It may fit on this side, but it's gonna have holes in it.
Got a hole in the bottom though. The hole won't clear. I didn't even think about that when I was punching it. We'll use that for something else. How about we make a round piece for right above your head?
Yeah, oh yeah, that one.
Let me get a piece and I'll bring it over here and mark it. Let's see, I wonder where the piece is I took off. Piece I took off. I just can't find shit here. I don't know where this place is. I guess I could just cut this one down. There's the screws that held it on. I guess I could just hold it on the inside and mark it. Hold it on the inside?
Sure. You gotta leave a line though.
Yeah, I'll do. I'll leave the line, let you trim it.
I should have it. You'll be able to see it.
Good enough.
Alright, what's next?
Well, I don't know. You wanna? What else you got to do on here?
Let me, while you're doing that, I'm gonna tack these 3 holes shut.
Okay, and I'm gonna get a piece of that metal, and I'm gonna
Work on that circle real quick while I knock this out.